What up vlog, what's going on? So boy Linsremy man, welcome back. Encore pour un lot film. M'a dit vlog non lot film dans vie cause tout ça m'a filmé là comme si filmé comme si et legacy. Parce que comme si c'est just vu m'a montrer man. Comment nous man, moi m'en forme cause malade. Parce que m'en forme cause malade. Mon fucking grippe peut-être fait mal so. Comment nous t'es dormi? Les 9h19, pas le 9h20. Et m'était supposé sortir là déjà. M'était supposé sortir man. Bah si nous parlons dans zoo pour matin là. Ouais, ça me zo. Nous sommes dehors là pour faire une introduction vidéo pour nous so. Yeah. Bon c'est celle ça me pour me dire aujourd'hui là, mais celle ça me dire pour Kounia. Ouais, ça me zo. So, je viens faire introduction ça. Après ça nous allons entrer. On va entrer dans la vidéo exactement cause m'a fait 2 jours dehors. Je voulais faire 2 vidéos spéciales. Je vais faire une gros, mais je me dis you know what, m'a fait 2 vidéos. Ça y est là. Rester pour méditer après ça jeudi. So with that being said, je vais faire l'introduction. Je vais juste entrer dedans et puis mal préparer mettre garde sur moi et puis pour me aller Zako mon partenaire qui pour le faire pour la lancer avec nous. Nous ça va faire nous pour journée so. Yeah. Keep watching man, keep watching cause l'on regarder ou pas décider image, ou pas décider de qualité. Éditer ma éditer ouais ça me dit m'bail qualité et quantité et tout man so ça me dit so moi maintenant appelle continuer garder man okay alright I'm the deal for my best Santa I'm the deal for my best
She does to kiss Santa bro. Go ahead man, go ahead. Can't say Santa bro. You say you like Didi, eh? Ain't you? You say you love Didi. So, come here, man. When can I say Santa, man?
Bro, stop.
Alex, Papa, man. Can I say Santa? Can you act like you love it, man?
Drink my hot lemonade.
Act like you like
Maybe.
what Santa doing to you, man. Let's go. Let's keep moving. That all right?
You don't tell.
At least monkeys are lazy. Yeah. Lazy you pay un petit peu bon pour ça pour. Easy. Yeah, but man, let me do some shit, you know what I'm saying? They get some money, man. Let me do some shit.
Amanhã vai postar. Pois vai receber cadeau.
Tout dit ça. Ouais, c'est un girafe caché dans figue, m'a caché dans figue tout. Cause on commande tout, tout. Got Jackie Chan. Got Jackie Chan.
Ou même c'est ça.
Depuis 5'9" girafe moi.
Hey, that's a go. Hey.
Pour 5'10". Oh. Là il
Salut.
Mais oh là, il faut la surveiller, ma chérie.
Il y a crocodile tout laid.
Il faut la surveiller.
Cuban crocodile.
Ah, regardez, il joue avec la balle là-bas. Venez, on va voir.
Allez.
We got claiming no tax. So not claiming and tax. You as well.
Dame un toque, man. Pas un straw. Dame un toque pour straw. Grande. É coisinha, hein?
Já falei mal de cabeça.
Look, they're big. Lance, look. Não deve não vai, não tem futebol.
Já não estou aqui.
Quanto é?
Iya, boy.
Dois mano lá kamu.
Mal coûte là.
Oh, bon poisson. Comment il est, Joffy?
Poisson Joffy.
On va prendre bague. On va prendre poisson.
Serpiente. Mira para arriba que vea la foto.
¿Y qué está haciendo la
You're not going nowhere, bro. We'll go for man driving up, but where you go.
Yo, voy a decir.
Vamos embak tu okey sih bahasa sikit mana. Tak pare gitu. Yo let. Yo. Allez tout le temps de mal faire. Tout le temps de mal faire. Come on, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So much, miss. Thank you. Thank you. I'm all good. Hey. Thank you, miss. Madame Nazi, then I've been nurse go sa foot marché, I've been a medium. Si là, yo, go nek, je tellement pédalé, man. Je tellement pédalé, j'ai mis ces sorties comme ça, je pas qu'à quoi. Il fait 3 poutres, man.
C'est pédale.
Oh, moi, bon, dis mon cher, monsieur, j'ai mis ces...
Ou pas toi, il y a poussé de l'autre là. Il a essayé. Il y a quelqu'un qui va trop lourd.
Oui, mais c'est pour toi, il faut la pousser.
Il a dit, monsieur, elle poussé.
So yeah, man. That was the zoo. That was the zoo, man. So now, les voilà pour changer pour me garder ATV. So yeah, I'm moving the machine now. I'm putting it back.
Tu vas ver shop ça là quand tu fais la machine.
Non, ça va. Ça va trop pour ici, monsieur. It is my dream to put a nigga in jail.
Regarde ça, remarque ça pour regarde.
Papa.
Papa me t'a dit mamie. This is the end of our trip.
It is.
We spent 2 days in Miami. We had fun.
Yeah.
And now it's time to go back to reality.
Back to the slave.
Back to slavery.
I don't tell them. Go say to them on that book.
The traffic wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad.
Because no view, some different view, yeah.
Right.
That was quick.
We did everything we were supposed to.
Yeah.
Next time we come, we'll just do more water activity.
Just find a water activity. Oh man.
You don't want to go on a yacht?
Damn.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
For your birthday. We're gonna be lit for your birthday. I'ma hit Zaco up and he gonna love the idea.
Fuck Zaco.
We can rent a yacht, have a nice party for your birthday. We can get a chef to make some Haitian food.
Oh my god.
Yep. That's what we're gonna do. It'll be nice on the weekend. Shit, let me see what day this falls on. On a Friday. Get that day off, baby. We're gonna be lit. I'm gonna call off work. They're gonna pay me anyways.
Gonna get up to that fix up our battery, right?
Oops, I jinxed it.
E com ela na gema, eu sou obligé que é bem bicho. Não. Ah, okay.
That car trying to come through. You guys like my shirt? You like my little outfit? Don't I look like a billionaire's wife?
Yes.
So, we had food last night from Dragon Hibachi. Dragon something. Miami Dragon Hibachi. I'm gonna rate it a cool 7.5 out of 10.
Bro, 7?
Fine, 8 out of 10. The only reason why I was going to give it 7 is because of my lobster. It was a bit bitter and it was a bit too salty for my liking. Other than that, everything else was good. So, what would you rate it, babe?
I'm gonna say 8.
8. A cool 8.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess we'll rate it an 8 since he wants to rate it an 8.
Yeah.
But I have leftovers, you guys. Is this one mine? This one's definitely mine.
That's for you?
Isn't it?
Check the other one as well.
Yeah, I'm not gonna silence.
Alright, that's mine.
Mate on Gael?
Yeah.
Okay, so leftover. Let's see if it tastes as good as it did last night. Let me show you guys what the leftover looked like. This is what the leftover looked like, you guys. Still look good. That orange stuff is yum yum sauce, so don't be surprised.
Yum yum.
Yum yum kitty cat.
Yum yum.
Yummy pussy. You gotta clip that part out. There's kids watching.
Nah. That's the best part of it, man. So you talking your shit. Your mom gonna see you saying like coochie cat on the camera and shit.
Oh.
Your dad gonna see it.
Okay,
I'm gonna make sure I show them the clip.
It's still good.
We're talking about.
You said you're gonna show them the clip?
Yeah.
Clip.
No, a clip.
Clip.
Yeah, well you said the
You thinking about pussy too much.
Yeah. Good coochie cat.
Look at this building. Ah.
je dis à tout le monde va le travail. That's why. Et peut-être ça, il y a un petit bloqué ça là. Ouais? Pas de tout comme ça là. Sorry. You got a Maybach truck.
Y'all remember
Maybach. Bentley.
Remember when Sexy Red was like, I'm out here in Miami.
Looking for
Looking at little Hoochie Daddies. Where they at?
Where they beat
Where they at? Where the niggas that get ratchet?
Yeah. Where?
Too many bitches. Where the niggas at?
Got book moi, pas donc péché, ok.
Please don't stop the music. Mama say,
Mama Quavo.
Chris Brown said, how you got, what he said, you got this, you just got this by a singing nigga?
Yeah.
Or you got out rapped or some shit by a singing nigga. Quavo, how dare you let a singing nigga do you like that?
That nigga only.
He just
do that R&B, man. The fuck you know?
Who?
Chris Brown. Like
I thought you was on Chris Brown's side.
Yeah, I am. Come on, man. Fuck Quavo. Mama Quavo. Fuck wrong with you? That was mommy avec this shit. I did.
Plein d'argent.
Yep.
I'm not going to go on my damn machine. Bitch, give me all your money.
You better bow, look.
Stay in the left 2 lanes.
Those who kidnap this dog be at them too.
Oh yeah, No, not Lucy. My baby. I'm sorry, what the Oprah? She said she gonna leave her dogs all her money. Like, she left her dogs billions of dollars. A dog, my nigga?
Yeah.
What they gonna do with $1 billion?
Don't know.
I should go rob her dogs. I should go to her and be like, listen, your dog just proposed to me. He wants to marry me. So, no prenup.
Nothing.
Sign the money over. The food's still good.
Welcome to the port.
Oh shit. That lame ass part.
It's lame as hell, man.
Shit.
Got to go with them. Combien de jours passez pour ta fait Miami pour ta enjoy?
4.
4?
Because I feel like we saw half.
See, I think that shit, man.
Let's hope there's no camera. There's no camera.
Hard.
But this thing I'm gonna do red light camera ahead. But yeah, I feel like if you spend 4 days in Miami, cause nobody said water stuff. Like we didn't go to South Beach or Brickell. So next time we come, we can go to Brickell and South Beach. That's about it.
Okay.
It's not much to
Oh my
it.
God, bro. Them two niggas don't.
You know the way they make it seem, it's not much to it. Miami, I ain't say if we know.
God, they got goddamn, man.
In 1 mile, keep left onto Sunny Isles Boulevard.
Because Miami, I ain't say it.
I mean,
Because not even Miami, they said, you know, my birthday. We were in that area.
Look, on joue seulement
We
faire
saw-
Miami. What up, Cafon?
I know, but I'm saying like we saw a little bit of the city. And then when me and Charles came,
À qui l'on devine? On devine pour 4 après right? No?
I think so.
Okay then, so like, how? You gonna spend the, bro, come on. You just at my shape, you were building, that's it. No, you gotta fall in a building, you, man.
I know, that's why I said we saw a little part of it.
Ah, ok.
That's what I said.
Puis moi, je mange là, non? Toujours, moi, je mange un petit calme, manger.
My throat's
Red
dry.
light camera ahead.
Où est ça, non? Prends ça. Kon la den?
See, I told you we'll tell you red light camera ahead. Madame ou papa do. Ou bel moto la too. You want to pause it for now or?
Yeah.
You know, ki kote mple algete.
Oui.
Any Ritz-Carlton is a nice ass hotel.